Wow, you are welcome to another episode. Today we are going to learn about the Igbo alphabet. Alright, Igbo, we have about 36 Igbo alphabets, and they are divided into two. We have consonants and vowels. The vowels are known as Odaume, while the consonants are known as Ngoshume. But in the next episode I'm going to show you that. So we are going to learn about the Igbo alphabet, how to pronounce the Igbo alphabets. Alright, so here we go. We have pronounce after me. I hope you are with your jotter and your pen. So pronounce after me. We have a, be, she, de, e, fe, ge, we, e, we, he, I, e, je, ke, be, we, le, me, ne, nge, nwe, nye, u, o, pe, re, se, she, te, u, o, vi, mwe, nye, zi. Alright? Let's say A is for aka, be, bea, or bo. That's be there. We have she, shere, shere. Wait. We have de, ego, fe, to fly. Ge, like go, ge, go, ge, go, we, to kill. Alright? Re, like ara, like war. We, war, or war. Alright? We have he, hapo, ihe, mba. You see the difference now? We have this one is beneath dot. The beneath dot, the one that has beneath dot is the one that doesn't have any beneath dot is alright? Ihe, mba. Alright? We have je, ke, like je, jo, ke, ko, sorry. We have be, borom, onyahu, borom, chedemma, borom, okechukwu, be, bo, tomorrow, like tomorrow, love, alright, that is the compounded letter, like be. Alright, we have we, grind, we have le, lo, me, mo, ne, nara, to take. We have ngo, to drink water, like ngo mini. Alright, then we have like NW. Is also compounded. You cannot segregate them, you cannot divide them. Alright, then mwale, okay, test, we have ni is also compounded. NY, nye. Alright, nye mini, give, nye onyinye. Alright, we have o, okay, we have oka, maize, we have p, po, re, to sell, re, se, sh, nshiko, okay, nshiko. Right, then we have ta, to shoe. Then we have uwe, owa. You see the difference? U doesn't have any beneath dot. Why o has beneath dot? Then their pronunciations are different. Alright, owa, uwe. Can you see? Uwe. O, owa, owa. Alright, we have vo, mvo, mvonisi. Okay, so we have we, like W in English alphabet. We, were, ye to wear. Like I wear my clothes now. I want to wear my clothes. Ye, we, ye, we. Alright, then we have zere, avoid, zere. Alright, so like I said before, English alphabet, Igbo alphabet is divided into two. We have the consonant part and the vowel part. So in the next episode, I'm going to show you the consonant and vowel parts. Alright, and how many there are. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. So click the subscribe button so that anytime we upload new videos, you will be notified. Alright, thanks for watching. My name remains Dimobefna Gideon.